Happy Christmas in July. And you know what that means, that it is the biggest week of earnings for the entire year. And you know what we're going to do? We're about to play the volatility. Here's some tips and tricks for day trading options on blue chips through earnings. IV will tick up the closer you get to earnings. If bullish, grab your contracts a few days before and play the volatility surge. Never day trade earnings week with more than just a couple percentage of your account. And due to IV crush, after the volatility push into earnings, weekly contracts will get burnt up quickly if there's not a huge momentum. And lastly, here's some stocks that I'm going to be watching, and here's why. US Steel and Cleveland Cliffs both had some pullback on their earnings Friday, which in turn put steel back as well. Consider steel's pullback already baked in as a trade handcuff. Google underperformed versus the market last week and has sat relatively flat and not as bullish as a lot of the S&P and NASDAQ was last week. So I'm leaning bullish on this one. Apple pulled the entire market down last week with their hiring freeze news. I'm leaning bearish overall due to already expecting the market to be red. And with the market makers pulling back, only to have Apple blast following earnings within a week or so. Lastly, we have Facebook, or as like to be called now, Meta. Socials are wrecked. Snap trashed the entire market last Thursday into Friday. Meta will continue to downtrend, in my opinion, and we will not find a good bull entry in the near future. Again, just a reminder, these are all my educated guesses. So please do not play heavy just based on my opinions.